May I come in,
Yes.
sir?
Please come. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Sonali, how are you?
Sir, I'm good.
Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how did you come to this place?
Yes, sir.
How did you come to this place?
Sir, I travelled all the way from my hometown in Kanpur to this place to appear for the mock interview.
I see. And your disciplinary training is in law,
Yes, sir. So I did
or
my
is it the optional paper that you selected?
optional, as I did my 3 years LLB from University of Delhi after my undergraduate in economics in 2020 from Hindu College University. of
Acha,
Delhi. Yes, sir.
you were at Hindu.
Yes, sir.
And what was your subject?
So economics.
Economics. Okay, so you have economics and
No, sir.
law as your formal training,
So,
isn't it?
Yes, sir, but I've been preparing since 2023, so I don't have the work ex related to law or economics as such.
All right. So, what is it that works as a pull for this service that you aspire for?
So, very honestly, during my life experience and my undergraduate at economics, I faced a couple of law and order challenges which drove me to opt for criminal justice system and to work at grassroots levels. And इसी वजह से, sir, I chose law after completing my economics.
Okay, so you have strong views about the state of affairs in India so long as criminality is concerned.
So, due to my personal experiences, sir, yes.
What does criminality do to economics of a country or a region?
So, पहली बात तो it deters industries from emanating economic opportunities, and so the investor confidence also decreases if criminality is a lot in a particular region. So that is the reason why initially, due to law and order issues during the Naxal movement in 1980s, 90s, and so also in Kashmir during 1990s, so the industrial push and economic opportunities available were not much in these regions.
Okay, over to you, sir,
Yes.
the super cop.
Sonali,
Yes.
so you have been a law student also.
Yes.
So I would like to know that last two parliament sessions, many bills have come up, passed into act also. So which bills or which acts you find very interesting, or which is going to have a heavy good impact on the public life?
So, the bill which calls for disqualification of serving ministers and legislators due to detention period of more than 30 days, especially the 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill, if I am not wrong, if I can recall. So, that would have a lot of ramifications in decriminalization of politics. And so, the Nari Shakti Vandanam Act would also bring more women legislators to the forte to bring women-centric issues for addressal.
So let's talk about the crime situation in Delhi. You have studied in Delhi or
Yes.
UP. So please describe the crime situation in UP.
So, UP's crime situation has been very effective in terms of reporting. So, the amount of cases being reported and the FIRs being filed have seen a drastic increase. And also, sir, in conviction rate, conviction rate is is not much as of now, but sir, it's improving as well. And so there's an uptick of reporting of cases, especially when it comes to crimes against women and atrocities committed against marginalized communities.
So have you heard about the burking of crime?
Pardon, sir?
Burking, BURKING, burking of crime,
No, sir.
or
Sorry.
refusal to register FIR.
Sir, yes, sir.
It's a very serious problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is that?
So that is, sir, मेरे हिसाब से socio-economic conditions की वजह से, because कभी कभी थ्रेट्स आते हैं जो परपेट्रेटर्स होते हैं उनसे, या फिर सर विक्टिम की जो इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस होती हैं, कभी कभी मतलब उनको डिटर किया जाता है कि आप रिपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो आपको ऐसा होगा, या फिर आपको मतलब मॉनेटरी प्रोविजंस देते हैं टू डिटर द विक्टिम्स फ्रॉम रिपोर्टिंग द क्राइम.
No, I would like to know that at organizational level,
Yes.
what goes in the mind of the policemen that they don't want to register the crime.
So sometimes it is lack of so sometimes it is a discipline issue, and so against such things wherein there is refusal to file an FIR, so disciplinary inquiries and action is also taken against the
No, why this tendency not to register? You are a law student.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I want to understand the nuances.
Yes, sir.
That why the police doesn't want to register a case.
So
What goes behind in his mind? Is a statistical reason or what?
so less.
Are you aware of this fact?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
So less investigation burden also sometimes.
Yes, yeah, that is one point. Yes.
And so also if you like do not report a crime, then statistically the situation also improves.
Okay.
But sir, it has
And also out of court settlement also.
Yes, sir.
You can make money also there also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Achha, anyway, so now let's talk about are you aware about the JJ Act?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So Juvenile Justice Act essentially protects the juveniles after the unfortunate 𝐼𝐸 case. So fast track courts for offences against children were instituted to report and for speedy resolution of the cases, and also sir crimes against certain age groups with enhanced punishments were also outlined in that very act.
So what is the basic concept of JJ Act?
So to protect
Means normal criminality and juvenile delinquency.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
So basically there's a principle in law that dolly incapax. So जहाँ पे एक बच्चा जो maturity attain नहीं करता है, उसको law वो अगर कोई offense करता है तो law does not hold him culpable in
Right.
all circumstances.
So that is the concept. As a law student, you should be aware.
Yes.
Achha, let's talk about कि now you want to join Bihar administration. So you tell us something about the crime situation in Bihar or crime against women and children in Bihar, if you are aware.
Yes. So as far as I can recall, approximately 20,000 cases annually were registered in terms of offences against children. And so there's an upsurge in reporting of crimes against women and children according to NCRB data.
Okay, sir.
Sonali, there are two concepts, rule of law
Yes.
or rule by law. Which one will you follow as a SSP of Patna?
Sir, rule of law.
Rule of law.
Yes.
Oh, the reason?
Sir, a rule of law enshrines the principle कि law के आगे कोई बड़ा नहीं है, और जो law constitutional ethos के हिसाब से है वही supreme law of land है. And rule by law on the other hand means कि law कैसा भी हो, अच्छा हो, खराब हो, लेकिन वो law रहेगा, जिससे आप justice आप इंश्योर नहीं कर सकते. रूल ऑफ लॉ 𝐸𝐸 का जो कंसेप्ट था वो जस्टिस को इनकॉर्पोरेट करता है इन ट्रू सेंस.
Sonali, since you are connected with Bihar and then you have been learning and getting education in Delhi, how many Biharis, what is the percentage of Delhi population among the Biharis? Roughly? Not exactly, means roughly.
So roughly, if I'm not wrong, it should be around 20%, and there should be there is a lot of migration due to economic opportunities. So
There is a reverse migration as well. Are you aware of the
So-
reverse concept of the reverse migrations? The Biharis come and then they go back. The
So
seasonal migrations?
yes, sir. During off seasons and especially during cultural festivals like Chhat, so there is reverse migration.
What are the challenges of the reverse migrations which you could feel and analyze, would like to analyze?
So, the lack of economic opportunities in states like UP and Bihar as a whole, vis-a-vis population. So, it is a major challenge to accommodate workers in factories or industrial establishments because they are lack thereof. And so, also, there is an increased strain of economic resources, health, and education due to seasonal reversal of migration.
Ajay. Tell me, if you were in charge of the Bihar Niwas in Delhi, every state has a Niwas, one or
Yes.
two, and if you are in charge of the Bihar Niwas in Delhi, what are the things will you do that will create an image of Bihar across India, especially in Delhi?
So, as the state government has duly taken the note of the migrant issues, so it has established centers for migrant dispute resolution in certain states to address the problem. So, as an officer in Bihar Niwas, I would take care of migrant related grievances and sir to ensure that seasonal reversal happens in a periodic manner, as we cannot stop people during Chhat or Teej because family bonding is essential. But the due data and the statistical data needs to be analyzed that certain section, certain percentage of people has to migrate so that adequate arrangements can be taken in
And
the
I am
state.
talking about Sonali, as a in charge, a caretaker of Bihar Niwas.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is the meaning and work of the any particular Niwas of the state?
So to maintain the image, if I'm not wrong, and so to
How will you promote the Bihar culture in Delhi?
the Bihar culture is is increasing. It's strongly influencing the preferences of Delhi.
And
As-
what is the meaning of Bihar?
So Bihar,
Hmm.
essentially, it stems from Bihar word, which means monasteries. So that is the meaning of Bihar. So that's how the name was derived.
Acha. Another question, Sonali.
Yes.
Civic senses in Bihar is just still missing out, I believe, because I also belong to the same state. And civic senses across India are more or less much better than in Bihar. So, as a Delhiite, educated, root is Bihar, and as a important administrative officer, how will he restore the missing links of civic senses in Bihar?
So civic sense is I don't believe that civic sense especially is related to a region or could be asserted that people from particular state lack civic sense. But so to inculcate civic sense in people, so we need to enhance education access. So more and more people would be aware about their rights, their duties, their fundamental duties, for example. So civic
No,
sense.
it is quite contrary, Sonali. Very educated, learned people in Bihar, they also spit and urinate in the public, even the IAS officer and judges. How will you moderate them? That is what I would like to know.
So enforcement as a challenge also prevails in instilling civic sense in people. तो सर अगर हम वायलेटर्स के अगेंस्ट एक्शन लेंगे, अगर हम स्पिटिंग इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस के अगेंस्ट फाइन लगाएंगे या फिर ट्रैफिक वायलेशंस के अगेंस्ट हम प्रॉपर चालान काटेंगे, तो सर सिविक सेंस
अच्छा ये बताओ कि इकोनॉमिक वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर की हम बात करें,
जी सर.
is it a order or is it a disorder?
So at present, it is a mix of both because of the US world order disrupting global supply chains.
And where is the order? If you are talking about it is a mix, what is the order which you could explain?
So order जैसे हमारा ब्रिक्स का जो अलाइनमेंट हो रहा है, ग्लोबल साउथ में जो सप्लाई चेन्स रेजिलियंस आ रही हैं, इंडिया इज कोलैबोरेटिंग विद ऑस्ट्रेलिया, with Russia as well to strengthen supply chains. So that is the order being created by India.
What are the main agencies of international economic order which you could identify as institutions?
So WTO and IMF and so World Bank.
ठीक.
Sonali, so just a quick question on your hobby.
Yes.
What is it in baking that interests you? The
So-
smell of the substance that you bake, or the process itself?
So the process and also the fact that I am a sweet tooth. So I do love baking. So during my leisure time, I like how the outcome is dependent on proportions and attention to detail.
Very good. Very good. Okay, so thank you. So now it is the feedback that we are giving to you. But before I begin that, just do a self-assessment of your performance today.
So articulation issues, I still believe, and sir, English ka mixture. Yes, sir.
You said English.
Yes, sir. Hindi and English. I was told in a mock.
It's not an issue.
It's not an issue.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Someone told you to deliberately
Yes.
speak Hindi in between?
Yes, sir.
That was looking little awkward. I mean, to me, it looked little awkward because if the interviewer is asking question in English, you better
Answer in English.
answer in English,
Okay, sir.
unless you are quoting something which requires speaking in Hindi.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Because this was something which struck me
So,
as to why are you deliberately
Yes, I was-
using Hindi.
Yeah,
Just-
breaking into Hindi.
Someone must have told you कि बिहार है तो वहाँ
yes, sir. Alienation आ जाता है अगर आप नहीं बोलेंगे.
Eye contact is yet another thing.
Yes.
Initially,
Yeah.
you took away the eye contact from us. I don't know, to recall something. Usually we do it, but that should be very brief. Okay. And primarily you should be looking at the person who is posing question to you.
Okay.
Right. So these are some of the things. Otherwise, your articulation is very good, and your understanding of the subjects that you are trained in is also good. So all the best.
Thank you,
You've
sir.
done well.
Thank you, sir.